Quick question. If you stopped texting everyone today, how many people would text you first? If that made you uncomfortable, stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know the real reason people don't reach out first. And it's probably not the reason you've been telling yourself. There's one small change that makes you genuinely hard to forget. We'll get there.
Most people think maybe I'm boring, maybe they don't like me, maybe they forgot about me. But here's what actually happens. Imagine two friends. One always asks the same questions. How are you? What's up? The conversation ends in minutes because nothing stands out. Now imagine someone who remembers one tiny detail about your life. Last week you mentioned an exam. A few days later they text, hey, how did your exam go? Suddenly, that conversation feels different. Why? Because people don't remember every conversation, they remember how a conversation made them feel. That's the secret. Stop trying to be the most interesting person in the room. Instead, become the person who makes others feel interesting. Listen carefully, remember one small detail and bring it up later. It could be their interview, their vacation, their new pet, or even the movie they were excited to watch. That simple follow-up tells people they mattered enough to be remembered. And when someone feels remembered, you're naturally the first person that comes to their mind the next time they want to share something. That's how you become the person people text first, not by chasing attention, but by creating memorable interactions.
The next time nobody texts first, don't assume nobody likes you. Ask yourself instead, how do people feel after talking to me? That question alone can change how you build relationships. I've put more of this practical psychology, real scripts in a free guide linked below. And if this shifted how you think about friendship, tell me in the comments which line, then subscribe. We've barely scratched the surface.